gonna go to Vietnam with my friend.
Friend ba?
Best friend. Okay, ulitin natin. Hi guys. So, I'm gonna go to Vietnam with my best friend.
My childhood friend.
My childhood friend, my best friend, my sister from another mother. Doon tayo sa labas. Guys, pinaalis kami. We are already here at the gate. Again. So, hopefully this time, di na kami paalisin dito. Kasi parang panghanay na naman talaga to. Nag-change pala ng gate ha. They did not inform us. Buti maaga pa lang. Shot in the dark, but I make it. We are gonna find some place to eat. Sobrang init guys. Grabe. What the hell? Tingnan nyo guys, ang cute. Sobrang colorful niya. We're here at the Bon Bongwe? Bon Bongwe. We ordered pho. Tapos ito yung mga kasama ng mga pho. Pho, pho. Pho, pho, pho. Pho, pho. Umuulan guys. We're here at the Fine Arts Museum. Oo, I think. It's raining! Dito ka na. Go! What are you doing there? Pupunta kami guys sa, alam, cute oh. Parang fiesta. Fiesta ba dito? Punta kami dun sa Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Nakakatakot tumawid dito. Ang bibilis ng motor. Hindi kami pinapasok kasi bawal daw ang kita ang tuhod. Nails daw. Bugbog na likod namin din. Parang 30 minutes na kaming minamasahe ng chair na ito. Pero masarap. I am loving this trip. It's so chill. Wala kaming hinahabol na oras. Oh, ito na pala siya. Pero hindi pwede pumasok. Baka kasi gumuho na. Sobrang tagal na yata niyan eh. We are walking here at the old quarter in Hanoi. It's so nice. Sobrang daming stores and coffee shops and stuff. So, bili! May pinicturan lang. We're here at the Hoan Kiem Lake. Oh, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng aso dito guys. Getting ready for our second day. Grabe guys, sinisipan na talaga ako. Sobrang.
And this machine can be very noisy.
Hanay lang po. Ninbin po po. Nakapunta na po kayo sa
Sleeper bus o train.
Ano to? Ano mo? Walang sense. Walang context yung akin.
Ito lang yung akin. Parang utong.
Kanina pink yan.
Pink ito kanina, pero mukha kasing utong.
Ang goal ay mag-Vietnam flag. Pero ang nangyari,
Flower.
ito utong.
Ano utong? Oh, di ba may... Ang late pa yung akin.
Hindi ka siya sa ulo.
Making a Vietnam flag is harder than I thought. Yung star. Or ano lang, kaya siguro
Kasi
na
madali yung
kinder.
kanina.
Star, pero hindi ko siya kaya.
Third day in Vietnam. So, we're meeting our friend here sa lobby. Galing siya sa Australia. Nag-land siya last night. Napuyat kami because of the night market. And then maaga kami gumising para sa Ninh Binh tour. Let's go. So this is morning here at Hanoi. Wala pa masyadong cars and stuff. And mga bikes and motors. Ngiti mo na ang na-scam kagabi. We're here at the bus. Going to Ninh Binh.
When I was a Nepo baby, like, this is just so overwhelming for me. I don't want to associate myself with this country.
Ewan ko sa'yo. We're gonna ride the electric car. Oh, sige, go, tour.
Hey guys, welcome to the tour, the arena tour.
Oh, sige, ano yan?
So this is the commemoration of the birthday celebration.
Praise the Lord.
Teka lang. May isa pang cave yan.
Nakalib ka nga?
Ikaw
Hindi ka magdadadal yan. Nakalib ka nga, tapos ayaw mo magawak ang payong. Yung coach kong hat. Bakit lakas makaano, parang davila ng pagpunta sa mga remote locations ng mga. Ito talaga yung... I don't want this like short hair from the
We're gonna go up. I don't know if I can do this.
as a photographer
Wow.
and my portfolio.
What? May iyak na ako. This is so tiring, ha? Rest. What the f***? Number 4. The pawis is pawising. Hello, Ate Ha! Last day. Fifth day, last day. We're gonna go to Lotte Mart and Train Street. Oh, nang agaw pa talaga siya ng bike ng bata. Oh, nagpa-video pa si Ben.